What makes me believe I'm a great social media manager is I combine creativity with strategy. So I don't just create like attractive content. I will make sure that it is aligned with my client's brand and goals. And I am also willing to study performance data to improve like the future content. And most importantly, I take time to understand the client's vision, and I treat their brand as if it were my own. Hi, I'm Jillian and I'm a VA from the Philippines. So I have over 4 years of experience and remote work being a social media manager. My main work involves content strategy and helping improve presentation of her YouTube videos. So this includes the creating thumbnail designs in Canva, repurposing videos into short form videos suitable for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. My personal goal is to make content more engaging and easier for our viewers to discover. The type of social media accounts I've managed are Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn. For industries, I've worked with health and wellness industry with a local club here in the Philippines, also US-based insurance agent, and also travel. I developed a social media strategy by first understanding the client's brand, goals, and the audience as well, the target audience. Then I review their existing content and performance to identify which topics and which formats works best. And from there, I create content pillars, consistent posting schedule, and monitor performance such as views, engagement, reach, comments, and CTR or the click-through rate, and use those insights to improve like the future content. One social media account or platform I helped was my client's YouTube channel. It's in the health and wellness industry. She creates content about Japanese facelift massage, acupressure, and natural anti-aging techniques. So I supported the channel by designing more engaging thumbnails in Canva and reviewing her existing content to identify topics that could be repurposed. My focus was on improving content presentation, maintaining the brand consistency, helping her reach a wider audience, not just in Texas. This experience taught me that growth is not only about gaining followers, but also involves testing different approaches like monitoring engagement and continuously improving based on performance. What I actually do when a particular content isn't performing, first I review the analytics, including the reach, views, the watch time, the hook engagement, and the CTR. So then I identify the possible issues such as if the thumbnail isn't pleasing enough, it isn't eye catchy, if the title looks bare, and also the topic format or the posting time, which is very important. For example, if a YouTube video has a low CTR, I will test a clearer and more engaging thumbnail or title. And I treat underperforming content as useful feedback, like make one or two strategic changes, and I will monitor the results before deciding what to try next. So I collaborate with my client with content ideas and feedback by first understanding their goals, the brand voice, the target audience, and their preferred content style. So I research relevant topics and trends, then present content ideas with a brief explanation of why they could work. I am very open to feedback. I listen carefully. I ask questions if anything is unclear and apply revisions. So I also keep the client updated and organized. What makes me believe I'm a great social media manager is I combine creativity with strategy. So I don't just create like attractive content. I will make sure that it is aligned with my client's brand and goals, and I am also willing to study performance data to improve like the future content. And most importantly, I take time to understand the client's vision, and I treat their brand as if it were my own.